Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare routine that I've designed for myself for the winter to take care of my skin at home. I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line, a Jade Roller and a Gua Sha Stone that I bought from Amazon, and then a Wolady facial Ionic steamer that I also bought from Amazon. So the Neutrogena products were bought from Boots. I'm going to first go in with the Hydro Boost Triple Micellar water. So all these products have hyaluronic acid inside, and we naturally have hyaluronic acid in our skin, but as we get older our skin stops producing hyaluronic acid, and the purpose of that is just to keep the skin soft and moist and supple. So Neutrogena has added this hyaluronic acid inside their products to help give us that boost. That's why the line is called Hydro Boost, and that's why it's perfect for the winter. So I started off with the triple micellar water, and now I'm going in with the Hydro Boost cleanser water gel, and together this can give me a deep cleanse since I'm not going to be using any facial brushes. I am going to go in and massage my face for about 1 minute prior to rinsing off the product. The water gel cleanses, it boosts hydration, and it leaves your skin feeling refreshed and soft. And I must say that's very true, and they have a really nice smell. I can't really put my finger on what it smells like, but it has a really nice, almost like a sea breeze, fresh smell. When massaging your face, whether with soap or cream, always try to be gentle and always go in an upward motion. Now, I don't have terrible skin, but I did suffer from acne when I was a teenager, and as a result I have certain blemishes left behind on my face. So that's my main focus when trying to improve my skincare. I'm trying to get rid of those blemishes, those dark marks, those circles. And who doesn't want glowing, radiant, soft skin? Next I'm going in with the facial Ionic steamer, and all you have to do is follow the instructions that come inside the little leaflet that they put in the box. It works for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's good for steaming your face and opening up your pores so you can really get a deep cleanse when you go on to exfoliate next, and you should always steam before you exfoliate. It felt really good against my skin, and it gave me that professional feeling at home, because this is what they would do for you in a professional skin clinic. Next I'm going in with the gentle soothing gel exfoliator. It boosts hydration, it helps to refine skin and leaves it soft. And this says that it's gentle to use every single day. I just want you guys to just look at my skin afterwards. It feels so good after the steamer, and it looks so good as well. The exfoliator is also said to be suitable for sensitive skin. It's soap-free, oil-free, and it can be used daily. And I'll put more product information in the description box down below, so please feel free to check that out if you want more information. Again, I'm using small, gentle circle motions that is going upwards. And I also exfoliate my lips as well. And I'm not rushing the process. I'm doing it for at least 1 minute before rinsing it off. And this is how you get a deep cleanse when you cleanse your face, as opposed to just rushing to wash and rinse. I normally do cleanse, tone and moisturize 1 to 2 times per day every day, but now as I'm getting older, I do want to spend a little bit more time and money investing in good skincare so that my skin can look really nice, especially as I'm getting older. I'm not that old yet, but you do have to start young. Now I'm going in with the face mask. It's by Neutrogena as well, the Hydro Boost line. It says to leave it on for 15 minutes. And this is meant to be a super hydrator. And it's designed in Korea. And its formula is enriched with hyaluronic acid, You should try to avoid contact with the eyes. And this is meant to give you a refreshed look, a hydrated feel, and a soft feel to the skin afterwards. So now I'm gonna go in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel for normal to combination skin. The Hydro Boost Capsule in Serum. I'm putting the serum on first and then the moisturizer. And I just do about 2 to 3 pumps. I'm trying to get used to using serums because normally I don't use serums. And again, the serum is meant to intensify the hydration in the skin, leave your skin feeling smooth and energized, and to just make you look more refreshed and awake. And the water gel just says continuous hydration for smooth, supple skin. So that's the whole premise of this line, guys. Sorry if it sounds repetitive, but that's the whole premise of this Neutrogena Hydro Boost line. And here, as you see, I did forget to use my round upward motion massages, but I've heard and I've read that it's good to do that to stop the skin from getting premature wrinkles. But I am being gentle. And this is my Jade Roller from a Jade massage set that I bought from Amazon. It's designed to prevent anti-aging, de-stress the skin, and to help give you a more bright looking face by giving you a sort of like a mini uplift. So this is the leaflet inside that I'm going to read and follow the instructions, because to be honest, I've just learned about Jade Rollers and the Gua Sha Stone. I did leave it in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours prior to filming the video, and I also cleansed it first with just some normal soap and some warm water. And this feels so good on my skin. I can see myself doing this more often because it feels really good on my skin, and I did feel like it did what it claimed to do in terms of giving me a lift, a facelift almost. You're meant to use gentle strokes. You always go in one direction, you never go back and forth. So if you see, I'm lifting the roller up and sliding it back down the face again. And with the face, you always want to roll upwards on the eye areas, downwards on my cheek areas as I've just shown, just straight across on the forehead, or you can separate it and do straight down from left to right, from middle to left, or straight down from middle to right. On my lower cheeks, I'm just going straight up. So in other words, I'm not using the roller and making it go all over the place. This stimulates the body as well. It detoxifies the skin. It improves elasticity in the skin. It reduces the appearance of puffiness and fine lines. It promotes lymphatic drainage. It eases facial muscle tension and helps your skin absorb the product better, such as serum, face oil and cream. And now this is the Gua Sha Stone, and you sort of follow the same directions with the Gua Sha Stone. You only want to go in upward motions. And this is not the real jade stone, but if you do believe in that type of stuff, Chinese medicine, then they would use the real jade stone typically. And they believe that it's also provides good energies and things like that. For me, I did feel calm when I was doing this, so I don't know, maybe there's some truth behind it. But I've just found out about the Jade Roller Stone and the Gua Sha Stone, and I do like them so far, and I do want to continue to use them. Last but not least, I'm going in with my Hydro Boost Eye Awakening Gel Cream, and I'm just using my ring finger and being very gentle. Well, actually that's my middle finger. I thought it was my ring finger. But I am being very gentle. And this is meant to give you a refreshing shot of hydration that works within 3 ways to fade away busy days from under your eyes. Lastly, I added some Vaseline to my lips, and this is the end results, guys. So tell me what you think down below. I do like the products. I would use them again. And I bought these with my own money. This video is not sponsored. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.